Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing the organizing of cleaning supplies and tools at my home. When we moved to this house, we made the provision only for washing machine and no dishwasher. That was simply because I was too surrounded by the myths of dishwashers at Indian households and didn't foresee its requirement. But when I got one during the lockdown, the convenience and comfort it brought to my routine on an everyday basis outweighed everything else. If you're confused about dishwashers, I have made a few videos on this topic. Please have a look in the playlist and description box. Having an organized area for cleaning supplies and tools can slot us into the fast lane of daily chores. This video is made in collaboration with Finish. Let's get started. So this is how our utility area was some time back. Our washing machine and dishwasher are placed here. Earlier, most of the supplies were kept inside the cabinet, but over time I felt the need to separate the in-use supplies for quick and easy access. Some unused spare containers and bottles from the kitchen will be deputed to make the area organized and appealing. Like these glass bottles with handles on the side, these two glass jars with dome lid, these acrylic containers and this oil vinegar dispenser. These bottles I am using for laundry detergent and fabric softener. I've labeled them for easy identification. Handles make them quite convenient to use. This bottle is filled with vinegar. These containers have laundry detergent powder for hand washing clothes and borax. Vinegar works great as fabric softener and to clean and descale the appliances. Borax is used in regular kitchen cleaning and as a laundry booster. For dishwasher, I am using Finish Quantum Ultimate Dishwasher Tablets. Finish is world's #1 dishwashing brand. I have been using Finish tablets from the day one since I bought a dishwasher. New upgraded tablets provide the best ever clean and shine with their 3-chamber technology. Scrubbing the stuck-on particles, removing the oil and grease stains, dishes shine at the end of the cycle. These tablets are 100% water soluble and quite effective even in hard water and low temperature conditions. No need to pre-rinse the dishes at all. Just one tablet and a full load of dishes come out clean with fresh lemon fragrance. The best part about this tablet is that you don't need separate dishwashing salt, detergent and rinse aid. The tablet has all the 3 agents which make your dishwashing routine smoother and easier. I would highly recommend Finish Quantum Ultimate tablets as the one-stop solution to all the existing and future dishwasher users. This jar is filled with Finish Quantum Ultimate tablets and another jar with baking soda. All the jars and bottles are filled and now let's arrange them. For in-use laundry and dishwasher supplies, I am using this counter space. I am placing this wooden Lazy Susan here to keep all the items on it. Daily needed home cleaning solutions in spray bottles are also placed here. Clothes drying pins are kept in a small fish bowl. To decorate this area a bit, I have placed this wall sign and a small snake plant. All the daily needed cleaning supplies are organized. Keeping them in these jars and bottles, everything is easy to access and the area looks beautiful and vibrant. Lazy Susan simplifies the organizing as one can just give it a spin and pick up the desired item. Now let's move to the cabinets and see how I have arranged them. In this cabinet, we have 2 shelves. On the top shelf, I have stored toilet paper rolls in this beautiful metal basket for easy access. In the other 2 baskets, I have stored extra unused cleaning tools like squeegee, brushes, etc. and accessories and tools for robo vacuum cleaner. In the bottom shelf, I have placed these 2 caddies which I use frequently. One is for gardening and another one is for daily dusting, in which I keep all-purpose cleaner in a spray bottle, microfiber glove, microfiber cloth, a duster, lint roller, and a few old makeup brushes to clean small items. On the side here, a dishwasher cutlery rack is kept and an extra spray bottle. Let's move to the other cabinet. This is the cabinet where I keep all the extra stock. All the packets and bottles of extra cleaning supplies are stored on the top shelf in order. On the lower shelf, few opened, occasionally used laundry supplies and a bottle of all-purpose cleaner are kept, along with these jars of naphthalene balls, borax and detergent powder. For storing different types of scrubs and sponges, I have used this transparent acrylic box, which is helpful in keeping track of stock. In small clear boxes, I have stored packets of drain cleaners and essential oils which I use to make DIY cleaners. I have placed this metal shelf rack to utilize vertical space efficiently and placed a few other items on this, such as cleaning sponge wipes, descaling powder, and a roll of oversized garbage bags which sometimes used for storage. Cleaning supplies are done. Let's move to the cleaning tools. This cabinet you must have seen in my earlier videos as well. At the bottom shelf, I've stored and organized all the microfiber cloths. In another basket, trash bag rolls are stored. This is a great hack which I shared a few weeks back. Place 4 or 5 bundles in the basket with handles on the side, and the open bundles should be on the top. Pull one bag from the bundles through this handle if you use 2 different sizes of bags. Now just keep the basket in the cabinet. That's it. Your bags are easily accessible, look neat, and bundles stay intact. In this over-the-shelf rack, I have stored laundry bags to wash delicate items. On the top shelf, I have placed a metal rack to utilize vertical space and segregate items. On the top, I have kept extra stock of mop pads for spin mop and flat mop. At the bottom, extra stock of fresh microfiber cloths is kept, along with a stash of towels which we use for car cleaning. The door space is utilized here well. I have placed an over-the-door hook to hang cleaning gloves and microfiber mittens. With this, the last cabinet is also done. Now here in this corner, I have placed this large clothes hanging hook and these self-adhesive broom holders. These holders are apt for holding brooms and mop sticks. Here I have organized all the large cleaning tools like wiper, plastic broom, microfiber duster, carpet brush and dustpan. And with this, we are done with the organization of our cleaning supplies and tools. Hope you enjoyed watching it and it could trigger some ideas for your beautiful homes. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.